Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing okay. Today we're going to be making a vegetarian sausage skillet. I've been looking to go or include more and more vegetarian into my diet. I'm not a vegetarian, I'm a non-vegetarian, but I'm adapting to new different types of vegetarian meats. For today's recipe, I'm going to use this specific one, the Beyond sausage, and besides the Beyond sausage we're going to use the peppers. I got 3 colors of peppers, half an onion, and a lot of garlic out here, and some mushroom. I'll walk you through as I make this dish. So let's begin by chopping the garlic. I like to smash it a little bit, then give it a nice chop. I'm going to make this dish in a cast iron skillet. It's more like a one pan meal. It's super easy to make, super quick, and it's going to be very tasty. We'll chop the onion real thin. The secret to chopping very well, there's nothing special in it. You don't need special equipment. There's a regular $2 knife, but I keep it nice and sharp all the time, and it works just well for me. I'll do a different video on how to sharpen your knives, but it just works. Next we chop up our peppers. I'm going to do one just to show you how it's done, and then show you the rest later. Now I'm cutting the plant-based sausages into pieces.
Okay.
And my daughter has decided to help me cut the mushrooms, so that's her cutting the mushrooms.
Cutting mushrooms?
Do you like cutting mushrooms?
I love to cut mushrooms. I like to cut mushrooms.
Good job. So guys, here's our veggies all chopped up. That's onion, green pepper, red pepper. Sorry, yellow pepper, red pepper. There's green pepper, mushrooms. Here's the sausage. And here's my daughter cutting the mushrooms still. Do you want to say hi to the camera, Emma? Oh, be careful. So here's our cast iron skillet. It's getting nice and warm. Till the time this heats up, I'll quickly tell you what seasonings I'm going to use today. So I'm going to use oregano, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and some chipotle chili pepper. You can adjust the flavorings to your taste. If you like Indian, you can go with Indian spices. If you like Thai, you can go with Thai spices. So our pan is nice and hot now. I am going to put about 3 tablespoons of ghee. So, 1, 2, so now the pan is nice and hot. I'm going to add the garlic. and in goes the onion. And we'll let it fry for about 2 minutes or so. So the onion and garlic is done. Now we're going to put in the sausages and fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes. So now that the sausages have fried for about 2 to 3 minutes, we'll start adding the seasonings. Start with a little bit of salt. Then I put about half tablespoon of cumin powder, about 1/2 tablespoon of oregano, then some chipotle chili pepper, garlic powder, some onion powder, and black pepper. And I'll give it all a big good mix. Now these have cooked for about 5 minutes or so. Time for the veggies to go in. So we put the green peppers, the mushrooms, the red mushrooms, the yellow mushrooms, all of these go in. We mix them well and let them cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. So this is cooking nicely. Keep stirring it in between. Be careful as it turns because chopped vegetables have a tendency to fly off the pan. So be gentle and easy while stirring and let it cook. You can cook it to the desired level of crunch. I like my vegetables a little bit crunchy, so I cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. If you want them softer, you can go for more time, about 7 to 8 minutes. So as this is cooking for the final 1 or 2 minutes, I just like to put a lid on it so that the vegetables are nicely steamed. These have steamed for about a minute. Let's see how they look. Now let's open up the lid and cook it for another 1 minute or so, and then comes the surprise part. Okay guys, now comes the fun part. As we cook it, we're going to top it up with shredded cheddar cheese and see how yummy it looks. Emma, your math is all going to come in the video, do you know that? You top it up with as much as you want, and then you just have to wait for the cheese to melt, and then the dish is ready. I'll come back to show you how it looks like when this cheese is melted. I've just covered the skillet with a lid. It helps the cheese melt better and faster. So still waiting. So guys, the cheese has melted and it looks really yummy. I'm going to top it up with some chopped cilantro or coriander, and it's ready to serve. I'll show you how the plate looks like. So guys, here's what the plate looks like. I have served it with a sliced avocado topped with Tahin seasoning. If you don't know this is super yummy. Goes with anything, cucumbers, avocados, but this is the final product. Thank you very much. Leave me a like and a review. Thank you.